Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Brandt dishwasher and you need to do a hard reset on it. Maybe it's just acting funny, or maybe you're getting some error code that you just won't get cleared out, and you just want to get it back to its factory settings. So the reset button on the display will not reset the dishwasher. That just resets any cycle that it has. It doesn't actually reset all the electronics in the whole thing. On a Brandt, the only way to do a full, true, hard reset is by cutting power to it. So either making sure it's off, and then unplugging it from the wall, or if you can't get it unplugged from the wall because it's like behind you or whatever, you can just turn it off at the circuit and leave it disconnected from power for at least a minute. And then when you turn it back on, it will go through its whole startup cycle and everything will be cleared out. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.